Afternoon folks, today I'm going to be tying a black flashback dial back with a traffic light flashback. It's a very good fly, to be honest, so we'll get started. So in the vise I've got the Fario wetfly hook size 12 in the black nickel, and the thread I'll be using is Unithread black 80. So we'll run a bit of thread down the hook. I've already waxed it. So we'll just take this down to just about the bend. Stop there. And we'll cut off the waist. And for the tail, I'm using, this is a big large one and big cock feathers at the bottom of the cape. So just take a few fibres of that, pull them off. Gonna roll them about in your fingers just to square them up a bit. So the length of the tail just a wee bit short on the body, I would say. Pinch and loop. Just check that's okay. That looks not bad. So just tie that down. Trim off the waist. And for the flashback I'm using pearl mylar, which is this one, number 14. It's a uni stuff. So just tie that directly on the back of the hook, on top of the shank. Just bring it down halfway, and we'll do the same with the red holographic. Just tie this directly on top of the pearl. Hold the two of them up and tie them all down. So, and for the rib I'm using black wire, which is this one. It's just small, I think it's uni wire. Just take a piece of that. Tie it in. And for the body I'm using peacock hearl dyed black. So 2 strands of that. So 1 butt up, 1 tip up. I like, it keeps the body level. I don't like the taper in a dial back. I do this with a lot of my flies, especially cormorants and dial backs. So just tie that in. Just leave some room. So I'm going to take this under the hook and just bring the hearl up, touching turns. Just watch the point of the hook. Just tie it off. Cut off the waist. And for the flashback, just bring the pearl and the red holographic over together. Hold it with your finger, your index finger, just hold it down, a couple of turns, pull it tight, just make sure it's straight, which it is, and cut off the waist. I'll do the next one. Now we bring the rib up, just take it over the top of the hook and pull down on it. Just pull it up so it doesn't twist the flashback. Just pull it up the way and tie that off. And helicopter that off. And turn the vise upside down and same again, just get some fibres off the hackle and pinching just about the length of the body. That's fine. So trim off the waist and bring the fly back, the vise back round. Got the turns to tidy up. That's my finish tool is lying on the ground. So to finish the fly off, I've got two jungle cock cheeks. So just pair these up. Just tie them on the back bit. Just check they're alright. And that one can come up a wee bit. Just move them a bit with your fingers. There, take it up a wee bit. Just go back. That's better. And cut off the waist. And just build up a nice little black head. And finish. And to finish fly off, just a bit of varnish. So this is a great wee fly. You can straight line them as a team or fish them on the washing line, whatever way you want to do it. And I'll just clean the eye. Find a bigger hook line about. So guys, there you are. That's a black dial back with a traffic light flashback. Great wee fly everywhere. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.